Star SCI Managed Fund had another solid quarter, Q3 2020, being a top third performer, top third of managers in its sector, which it's consistently done for all periods up to 5 years. The outperforming area, the best outperforming area of the fund this quarter was fixed income, did 3.4% in the fixed income component of the fund against 1.5% in the Orbi, and we outperformed fixed income managers by approximately 2% for the quarter. SA equities had quite a dull quarter, doing about 1%, and certainly have been an underperforming area in the fund. And fortunately, we've been underweight SA equities both this quarter relative to peers, but for a number of years. Offshore did well, returned 3.2%, managing to keep up with the MSCI, yet we only had 60% of the 30% offshore exposure actually in equities. So stock picking was a key theme for the quarter. Looking forward, we remain confident that our fixed income exposure is well positioned. Shorter dated inflation linkers, which over the quarter did 4.2%. And again, we believe that that'll be a top performing area of the market, and we're currently yielding 6.2% on our fixed income component of the fund. We remain underweight SA equities, although we're rotating more and more so to higher quality stocks on the JSE, which we believe are undervalued, and there's a real opportunity to build up the quality component of the portfolio as those stocks are very, very cheap. Offshore, even though we had relatively high weightings in offshore during COVID, having built up the offshore exposure, that's been reduced as the markets have rallied, and we've got a more conservative position offshore. Just lastly, in terms of property, having not been exposed to property in the last quarter, which was down 14%, we really haven't built up any property exposure and remain rather negative towards that part of the JSE. So overall, we're very confident the portfolio will continue to do well. It's a solid portfolio and definitely a banker for any manager, any investor, any advisor looking for a good, well-managed Reg 28 fund.